Alright guys, so anyway, I had a hell of a time trying to update the V-Coptr, but what I found out was, of course, it won't work on Windows 7, which is my main PC is Windows 7. So I had to come over here and put it on this one to get this thing to update. So we're going to update it now. Yeah, okay, go ahead and start. I was able to get the controller to update over there on the Windows 7, but I could not get the drone to, it would not, the software, this software that it uses, this fly kit, it would not recognize the, it would not recognize the drone on the Windows 7. It only would recognize the drone over here on the Windows 10. So yeah, and I was never even going to do the update because it flew so great right out of the box. But of course, I went to fly it yesterday and it did one of those force update. It wouldn't let me fly it unless I updated it. So I had to wind up breaking down and doing this update, which it's working on it. Okay, but the controller updated fine over there, but the drone would not update on the Windows 7 because they put a device driver. Actually, I should have known something was going to be up because when I was doing the device driver would not completely install on the Windows 7, and on here it did. Even though the software and everything loaded up, it gave me some kind of error about a device driver not completely installed or something. So that must have been the device driver that was recognizing the quadcopter. So all right, I'm just happy that this is doing. We're gonna go fly it here in a few minutes as soon as this is done. Okay, so we're out here with the V-Coptr. We're gonna switch to video. Let's see, yeah, it's a little bit late. I want to try it after this update. It was a pain to do that update, believe me. It doesn't have that many satellites yet. It's getting there though. I ran down about 11% of the battery doing the update. So I was forced to do this update. I didn't have a choice, okay? So turn the EV up just a little hair. Let me start some video. Well, I just can't get over how stable this thing is. It just never moves, man. It never moves from where you take off. It just takes off and just sits right there. It doesn't wander. It doesn't do anything. I was so worried about it not doing that anymore after I did the update, you know. Yeah, so I came out yesterday to fly it, and it wouldn't let me fly it because of it needed to do the update. Let's put the sport mode on. Wow. It turns on a dime in that sport mode, I can tell you that. I guess they're gonna do something with that building. I'm just not sure. Yep. Ooh, there's a train over there. See that? You can see those lights pretty good up there. They're red. You know, I got the EV up. It's actually a lot darker than it looks on the video. Wow. Yeah, this thing flies really nice, guys. I'm really happy with this thing. I'm way happier with this than I am the Zeno Mini Pro. I can assure you of that. Wow, so smooth, man. This thing, whoo, wow. I just can't get over it. Can't get over it. Wow, let me put it back in the low speed. Wow, this thing is really sweet. It's a nice toy. Yes, it is. It's a little costly, but it's still fun. Oh, thank you so much. Have a nice night. I'm going to stop the video now. And, dang, looking across the street there, it looks like there's some fog or something rolling in. Maybe it was some exhaust from the train, from the diesel motor. Who knows? But you can see the haze over there right through this tree. So, yeah. And there's a land button here. We're going to hit that. Confirm to land. Land now. Wow, smooth as glass, boys. Wow, man, I'm so happy with this thing. God, why can't Hubson make nice shit like this? Okay, why can't Hubson do this? You goofballs. All right. Oh, unbelievable. All right, guys, have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.
That's all, folks.